Subway Surfers po. Kung wala po kayong ginagawa guys, try nyo po maglaro ng Subway Surfers. So easy lang po yung laro na to guys, jump lang po at saka slide. So ganito lang po yung Subway Surfers. Thank you so much guys, I hope na mag-enjoy pa kayo.